girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, try to mention. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl. Hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, Lord, shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, Lord, shut it down. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck. You're the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and put you into the tons.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah, but you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. I had you right in some. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a low. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her, and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped in the birds. M29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Won't have a teeth when I feast.
Escaping this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now the kids down to the sleep. And now you upset. still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I lied to way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty wake your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not ran mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole man.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep thinking sick on me. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert White. Either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Beauty Forever hair. It's literally been forever since I've worked with them, so I'm excited to be working with them today, and I am bringing you guys another look for the fall season. This is a chocolate brown bang unit and I absolutely love it, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, if you don't know this about me, I love brown hair on me. I feel like chocolate hair just looks so good on my skin tone. And I feel like this is just like the perfect time of year to pop out with something like this. I will go ahead and put both sides in the front for you guys so you guys can see the entire look. But I just really love this. The bangs are cut perfectly and you can adjust the unit. You know, you can pull it back or you can make it as low as you want. So it doesn't have to be all in your eyes like that. But I just feel like it looks really nice like this. It looks so good. I absolutely love it. Like, look how silky straight this is. There is no like poofiness anywhere, no tangling or shedding. It has just such a beautiful luster to it. And like I said, this is chocolate hair, which I feel like complements me so well. Like, I absolutely love it. Yeah, I kind of added like this little bump to the end, like just to kind of give it something a little extra. I was thinking about curling it, but I don't know. I feel like I want to do, like, I want to wear this again and then I will curl it the next time that I wear it. But yeah, it just looks so good on me. And I wear like this tan jumpsuit. It's like, you know, the long one or whatever. And I feel like it helps like make the color pop out a little bit more. I really like that. It just looks like chocolate and like, I feel like a cappuccino. You know what I mean? So yeah, it looks so good. Absolutely love this. And this texture, you guys, believe it or not, this is like, I want to say maybe like a Yaki texture or a kinky texture. It's not like the silky like hair that we're normally used to. And it actually has like, and I like that. Normally, I don't really go for like the Yaki straight or things like that, but as of lately though, I must say, like, I've tried a couple of Yaki straight units and I really like them. I think they look really good. I feel like it looks more natural up close in person because it does have like a little bit of texture to it, but this hair is just like so smooth. So you can run your fingers through it, no tangling or shedding whatsoever, and it just looks so good. Like, no matter how much like you move your hair around, you know, it just gives like flowy. It's just really nice. I really like this a whole lot. And I want to say that this is in like a 22 inch, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say this is about a 22, 24. I want to say a 22. I think this is about a 22 inch. And the thing about it, you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed this or not. First of all, I've never received a unit with a closure piece like how this has. I don't even know what to call it because it's not a lace front. It's not like your standard closure. There's just like this part that's like here in the middle. You see where I have like that part here? This center part here has the actual lace, but it's not like around the perimeter, and I actually really like that. The other thing that I like about it is that the fit is like so perfect. It comes with the adjustable straps in the very back, which I'm so happy about because a lot of companies take those out, and it also comes with the elastic band that hooks in at the top along with several combs. Now, I did take my elastic band out just because I didn't feel like it was necessary. I feel like the straps in the back work just as fine, and it has a nice and secure fit. And I love the fact that I didn't have to use any product today, like at all. I did not have to use anything to adhere this unit. This is a completely glueless unit, but it's secure because I know some people may worry about that. The only thing that I did use was this Got To Be spray. This is my little mini Got To Be spray. I normally keep this like in my travel bag, like, but I ran out of hairspray, so I've been having to use this. But that was the only thing that I used, and I used that at the very top just to help with like the flyaways. But other than that, I didn't use any product to actually adhere the unit. Like, this is just what it is. So if I pull the hair back, you guys can see it's like tracks, which I actually like too because it gives it more of a fuller look. I never actually reviewed a unit like this before. This is literally the first of its kind, and I really like it. Like, this is something that I would definitely keep like in my collection. And like I said, if you want to, you can definitely curl it and that will look really cute, give it a whole different type of look. You can do either like wand curls or you can do barrel curls. It'll give you two different types of looks, but I think it'll look cute curled as well. But I did want to just show you what it looks like straight. And this is from Amazon. This is Beauty Forever's Amazon store. So if you're somebody that frequents on Amazon a lot, then you know Amazon has like a lot of really good units. And not only that, it's always good to like watch a review like this so you know exactly what to expect, because sometimes, you know, like you see a lot of the pictures on Amazon of like people doing reviews on hair and you're just like, they always look crazy. And it's just like, what is like, why would you post that? You know what I mean? But something like this, like where it's like me, you guys can see like how to style it, like what colors I complimented and everything. And then if you're dark skin like me, you may want to know like how would that color look like on my complexion. Now you know. So that's the beauty of having someone who can like physically review it for you, because when you're shopping online, it's like you're just rolling the dice and hoping that it works out for you. But yeah, absolutely love this unit, and Amazon has a lot of good deals as well. So you can get this at a very affordable cost. I want to tell you guys how much it costs, but sometimes when I do that, like the price that I see now may change later. Like the price may be lower, or the company may raise the price because of the demand. But I love this look. I feel like it looks so good. And then if you want to, you can have all of it to the back too. And then I'll turn around, because I like how it looks like to the back. Like if I was wearing this like every day, like in an everyday basis, I would actually have it all to the back or whatever. But like, this is where it's hitting on me. And then if I was to sit down, you guys can see. But like, look at that. Like, I don't even have to touch it. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all. Y'all see that? Okay. And it's not like a big old poofiness. Now the hair may be moved around a little bit, but it's not poofy. And it just gives, like, this is giving. I don't know about you, but it's giving. I need to wear bangs more. I just realized that. I feel like bangs suit me really well, and I don't wear them enough. Because you guys know, like, I'll be wearing curly hair like it's no tomorrow. But I feel like I need to, like, switch it up a little bit and start doing looks like this, because this is really pretty. I just feel so sophisticated. I just feel like a baddie, you know? So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, then definitely check out the link down below. I will also have all of the details of the hair down there in case I missed something. And if you have a question, drop a comment. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching and supporting. And I will see all of you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.